We grow when we give.
We grow when we give.
We grow when we give.
Nosotros crecemos cuando damos.
We grow when we give.
与えるとき成長する。
We grow when we give. Welcome to R.O.G, Return on Generosity, a podcast celebrating generosity at work. Not financial giving, giving valuable time, alternative perspectives, and genuine collaboration. Welcome to R.O.G, Return on Generosity podcast, episode 160. Woohoo! 2023 was an incredible year for R.O.G. This episode will attempt to recap the themes and forecast our plan for 2024. Thank you for listening. I sincerely want to thank you and appreciate you for being the most important aspect of R.O.G. And I want to hear more from you. If you don't already follow R.O.G, please do. Downloading episodes is also helpful, and rating R.O.G is beneficial as well, especially if you love the podcast. In fact, only if you love the podcast. As you know, our episodes focus on all aspects of personal and professional development, from leadership and mentorship to emotional intelligence and self-discovery. We had incredible guests throughout the year. They will be listed in the show notes and featured on our social media. So please check out any episodes you missed or re-listen to some of your favorites. So themes from 2023 R.O.G. Belief and encouragement. Several episodes emphasize the importance of believing in oneself and others, offering support, and encouraging personal storytelling. Networking and relationship building. Building and nurturing networks, mentoring, and investing in relationships are always reoccurring themes. Leadership and management. There's a strong focus on leadership qualities, including empathy, authenticity, vulnerability, courage, and the ability to delegate effectively. Self-improvement. Topics like habits, emotional intelligence, forgiveness, energy management, and identity-based habits highlight the importance of personal growth and self-awareness. Diversity, equity, and inclusion, DEI. Many episodes touch on the significance of DEI initiatives in organizations, linking them back to core business strategies and the importance of belonging. Generosity and kindness. Generosity and kindness are fundamental to generous leadership. Giving to oneself, others, and giving back to the community are highlighted as a critical aspect in our personal and professional lives. Professional development. We've had many discussions on feedback, career ownership, time management, and building a purpose-driven career. Communication and collaboration. Topics like radical candor, storytelling, active listening, and the importance of language in connecting with others stand out. And finally, reflection and reinvention. Encouraging introspection, reinvention, and self-discovery through reflection, and seeking growth opportunities and journaling. So please join me as we step into 2024 with an exciting lineup. I want to hear more of your feedback and recommendations, so you can comment on the YouTube channel, or you can email me directly at shannon@bridgebetween.com or message me on social media. One piece of feedback that I heard loud and clear from you is that you want to hear more from me. And I appreciate that. I appreciate your feedback and encouragement. So starting in January, all of the even number episodes are going to be me featuring insights from my books like The 5-Degree Principle and V.I.B.E. And then I'm going to be responding to you, my beloved listeners, your feedback. So share what you want to hear more of or less of, and we can make R.O.G even better. Every other episode will feature a special guest sharing their unique perspectives and experiences with generous leadership. Our early lineup includes Dr. Serena McCalla, Maria Brennan, and Michael Powell. Get ready for an enriching journey filled with practical wisdom and inspiring conversations. Generosity is not confined to acts of giving. It's a mindset, a way of approaching relationships and personal growth. From building networks to fostering an inclusive workplace to self-care, every action can embody generosity and create that ripple effect of positivity. So please enjoy your holiday season. Always remember, you grow when you give. I'll see you in the new year.
Thanks for listening to R.O.G, Return on Generosity podcast. Please help us grow by subscribing and reviewing us on your favorite podcast player. And for more information, visit bridgebetween.com. We grow when we give.
우리는 나누면서 성숙합니다.
We grow when we give.
On rayonne quand on donne.
We grow when we give.